But I never leave a trace. Face is pretty as for days. I get chips, I ask for lace. I just sit back and when he done, I be like, yo, how to taste? Yo, how to taste? I don't really want no friend. I don't really want no friend. Hey, yo, Draco got that kickback when they kick back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like this look, please continue watching to see how I achieve it, and please give this video a thumbs up. So right now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using the MAC Fluidline gel and the shade Ebony. Is it Ebony? What am I talking about? In dark brown, deep dark brunette. And I actually outlined my brows with a pencil. I'm not sure what the name is, but if I didn't mention anything, everything will be in the description box. So just check that out below when you have time. So yeah, I'm just filling in my brows. And now I'm going in with the LA Pro Concealer to clean up my brows. And I'm going to be using the shade On. And I'm going to only use it at the bottom of my brows. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Going in with this flat tip brush, I'm just going to just smooth it out a bit, drag it down, you know, blend it out as much as I can with that brush. And I use my fingers to even blend it out a bit more. Your fingers can be your best tools, I swear. But yeah, I'm dragging it down, blending it out with my finger. Oh yeah, if you follow me on Snapchat, you know why my nails look like this. I'm using a different blending brush. Well, I'm using a blending brush now to just blend everything out more. But my nails is like this. Wow. I'm using Beautifully Bronze on the top because it's closer to my shade. And I'm just going to do the same thing I did at the bottom on the top. But yeah, if you follow me on Snapchat, sorry you got to hear this again. But I was using press-ons. And you know the press-on glue never works. I couldn't find no crazy glue. So all my nails popped off except for my thumb. So yeah, that's why my nails look like that. So yeah, I'm blending out with the flat brush. I'm using the other side though. And I think I went back in with the blending brush and just blended out everything. And don't worry about my eyebrow hair. Those will be put in place later. I'm going in with this Unicorn Essence Drip Drip. And I'm just going to rub that in on each side. On both sides of my face, above, on my forehead, and on my chin. And I dragged it down to my neck. I'm going in with the color Toffee on my eyelids, just to use that as a base for my eyeshadows. Blending that in with a fluffy dense brush, and then I'm gonna go in with a shade similar to the concealer just to set that cream stuff in place. And it doesn't have to be neat, so yeah. So yeah, when I'm doing my eyeshadows or anything on my on my eyes or my eyebrows, before I start my face, I like to keep it moisturized. So I'm moisturizing it now with this Mirad cream. I'm not really sure of the name, but it's from Mirad. And I'm just gonna rub that in everywhere I did with the Unicorn Essence Drip Drip. Now I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm gonna be going in with this shade right here. And I'm going to put that on the upper portion of my eye, close to my brow bone. I'm going to do that to both sides. So this is like my transition shade. And I'm not really going this fast, and I'm packing and packing and packing, so just go to what you want. But basically, I'm using this e.l.f. blending brush. I'm going in with this shade. It's like an orange shade. I'm using the Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette. And I'm using this shade here to, well, I'm using it on the outer portion of my eye. I'm using the same e.l.f. blending brush. And I'm just going to push that also into the crease and blend those colors together. Now I'm going in with this blending brush to blend everything in, and using MAC Skin Base Finish, I think it's called. It's the primer. I'm priming my face now, but this feels like lotion. It feels so good. Oh my god. Now I'm cutting my crease with Fawn. Make sure you guys use a steady hand and please go slow. This video is sped up. I'm not moving half as fast as you see me. But yeah, after I put the concealer on, I use a flat tip brush just to like smooth out the concealer and have an even distribution all over my eye. And I'm going in with this purple shimmery shade. I'm using a different brush to apply it. And then I started using my fingers because my fingers started applying it way better than what the brush was doing. I went back to using the brush. But yeah, off camera I did my lashes, my eyeliner. Yeah, and I did the other eye. So yeah. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my leg is sleeping. Now my leg is sleeping. Oh my god. Alright, now to brighten up my under eyes, I'm going with this new concealer I got from my Ipsy Glam bag. It's from Smashbox. It's a 24 waterproof concealer. Oh my god, I really love how this glides on. Like, it's so smooth, and it's like makes my face look skin-like. And I'm also gonna highlight the bridge of my nose, my forehead, under my nose, and you know, the regular. Now I'm going in with my damp Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'm gonna blend that all out. Blend, 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 blend away, guys. Don't you? It like blends really nice, and it really matches me perfectly. I don't know how they knew. Like, you know, sometimes they send stuff and it's like not nowhere near your shade, but this was perfect. Now for foundation, I'm going in with a TruBlend matte from Covergirl in the shade D70, and I'm going to be using a foundation brush to spread this on my face. I usually put it with where the concealer isn't, and then I just blend everything in with the same beauty blender. You want to make sure that you go over the concealer a bit so you won't have any harsh lines from where everything is starting. So you don't want to see where your concealer stops or where your foundation starts or where your contour ends. Like, you know what I'm saying? So just blend everything really nicely. Now I'm going to go in with the same concealer again just to brighten my highlight up a little bit more. Sorry, guys. And then I'm going to use the BlackOpal foundation stick in the color Walnut. I'm going to use this to contour. So I'm chiseling out my cheeks, and I'm also going to bring it up on my forehead and on my jawbone, and a little bit on my chin and under my bottom lip. You know how that goes. Y'all see me do the same thing all the time. So if you want to speed past this, you can. But yeah. Now I'm blending out the concealer. blend, guys, y'all want to make sure everything is blended. Use a light. If you don't have a ring light, use your flashlight on your iPhone or your phone, whatever, and just use that and do your makeup. Or you can take a picture after you're finished to see a picture with flash, actually. Oh yeah, I'm using the rest of the concealer that's on the beauty blender, and I'm just gonna put that under to clean up my contour. Now going in with the Mercier translucent powder in deep. I'm going to set my under eyes, making sure that nose is snatched, honey. Ooh, I'm mad hungry. I need to go eat some. And I'm setting everywhere concealer was, and my smile lines, and I'm just cleaning up my contour some more. And then going in with the what is this called again? BlackRadiance contour kit in medium to deep. I'm just going to set the cream contour, and I'm also going to set the contour on my nose. Did I contour my nose? Yeah, I did. I'm using this angle fluffy brush to set it. Snatched nose, honey, okay? And then I'm using a beauty blender just to blend it out some more. And then using this fluffy brush that I love so much. It's so easy to take off the powder, the excess powder, and it just glides on my face so nicely. So yeah, I just dust everything off or just blend it in circular motion so everything can be blended nicely. And then going in with this e.l.f. mist spray. I'm going to spray it all over my face, drench my face, because I just have so much powder on. So, you know, got to get that cakey look off. And I'm just going to dry it, fan my face off a bit. And then using the NYX bronzer, I'm going to use this as a highlight and just wipe a little bit on my beauty blender. Before my face is dry, I like to apply this. So my face is still a little damp, as you can see. It just has a better effect with the highlight. It's just so glowy. I love it. I'm just going to highlight the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow and a little bit on my forehead. And then for blush, I'm going to go in with the Lychee in Gold. It's like a rose gold shade. It's like when you put it on, you can see the rosy color, but then when you blend it in, it has like a gold pigmentation. It is so nice, and it blends in with my highlighter effortlessly. Sorry. Now going in with Tarte's 4-in-1. What is it called? Lights, Camera, Lash. Just gonna, you know, do my lashes. And using NYX Jumbo Pencil in white, I'm just gonna put this on my waterline. And you want to be careful with this because it can smudge and you don't want that. So just be careful and take your time. There's nothing to rush unless you're rushing to go somewhere. But just take your time with this. And then I'm just going to take another fluffy brush, and actually it's a pencil brush, and I'm just going to smoke out that same color that's on my lid under my lash line. Now for lips, I love to make sure my lips is moisturized before I put anything on. So I'm going in with the chapstick first. And then I'm going to be using this lip pencil in brown, dark brown. I'm just going to line my lips. And I couldn't find my NYX lip cream buttercup. What is it called? I couldn't find it, but I ended up using LA Colors lip gloss in the color Babycakes. And I put it just on the middle of my lips and rubbed it in. Blended it out with my finger. And then I went in with this Estate. Can't remember the name of the color, but it's similar to my eyeshadow on my lids. It has like a sheen, close to that color, so I decided to use it. And then to top it off, I'm going in with Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. You know, I had to just be extra. You can just finish with the Estate lip gloss, but it's not me if I don't go overboard. Look at that face, honey. Oh my God. And here is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment below. Follow me on all my social media. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Love you all. Bye.